My name is Shivani Sahu, and I'm going to explain here my future goal. Actually, I have completed my graduation in 2021, and apart from that, I'm learning spoken English in Aalpha Global Institute. So, I I want to share my ambition with you guys. So, first of all, I want to achieve my dream physics. I want to achieve my dream physics. I know that is very slow process, but I am sure that I will achieve that. And after that, my second goal is I want to speak a good English. Actually, I want to speak fluent English. So that is the second step to develop my personality and to study. Actually, I want to become a MBA student. I want to become a certified MBA. So when I pass my MBA, I find some good job, and I want to earn a good money for providing a good facility in my family. So yeah, that is my all goal. After that, when I able to achieve a good money, I am married to someone, and yeah, uh, I want to increase my knowledge more and more in my life. Yeah, that is all.